body rest. The difference between me and any other fighter, they wake up early in the morning and they do their run and exert themselves. So when it's time to go to the boxing gym, they don't have anything left. So what I do, I like to let my body. So this is how my day go. I wake up at 2:30. I have to be to the boxing gym at 3 o'clock. We work from 3 to 6. After I leave the gym, I go get a meal. I rest a couple hours. Then I go out and I run between, it varies, 5 to 7 miles, 5 to 8 miles.
My whole career was based on late night. In fact, I wouldn't catch me on a fucking morning workout at all.
That's true.
Never. I would actually miss the classes. I'd show up on my own, late afternoon one, and then I'd come back 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I'd blast the music. I'd go into my mind frame and just visualize the sequences and the fights, and I'd put in the best work that I put in. Don't talk yourself out of success if you're a late night person and you're not on the clock, because I wasn't either. And look where it got me.